Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the Amana dryer that is not starting in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all you need to start by checking the power source in order to ensure that the dryer is receiving electricity. For that you can just simply go to your home's circuit breaker panel and verify that the dual pole breaker for the dryer hasn't tripped. Even if it looks on, you can flip it to off and then you just have to turn it back on in order to ensure a solid connection. After doing so, you just have to simply perform a hard reset on the dryer's control system. For that, you just have to unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and wait for at least 5 minutes. While the unit is unplugged, you can also press and hold the start button for further 5 seconds to discharge any remaining electrical energy from the control board before plugging it back in. After doing so, you just have to simply inspect the door switch assembly which is located at the door frame. So you can open the dryer and manually press the small plastic lever or button. If you don't hear a clear clicking sound or if the internal drum light stays on while the button is pressed, the switch is faulty and it is preventing the motor from engaging for safety purposes. Now you can also check the thermal fuse for continuity. So to access this, simply remove the screws from the back panel of the dryer using the nut driver. Then locate the small white plastic fuse mounted on the blower housing. If the dryer overheat due to clogged vent, this fuse will blow and cut all the power to the motor. So in this case, you just have to use a multimeter in order to test it and then replace it if there is no continuity. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.